You're watching Cooking with Kiddos on the Sanitas Food Network. I'm your host, Miss Dina. Our finalists, both representing Long Island City, we have Chef Avon and Chef Connor. We've entered the final round, desserts. Let's see what the kiddos have in store for us.
Today I made for you is tooth cake. I put some eggs and milk and some tea on the top. Taste it. I like it, but it hurts my gum. It's kind of spiky when it goes in my tummy. It hurts a lot. But what I do like about it is like it's kind of teethy and cakey at the same time. And it kind of has a good look with the teeth on it. But it's still spiky and not really cool when it bites you back.
Those are some massive teeth. Let's see what Chef Connor has for the judges now.
Hi, today I have snail cream and I put a little bit of butter and chocolate chips and strawberry and a little bit of snails. I like the cream, but it's a little too snaily for me. The cream is kind of like smooth when it goes in the throat in the digestive system, but the snails are all crunchy and like they don't feel good crawling all over your mouth inside or your belly. And the cream, another thing about it is like it's kind of like smooth when I eat it, and it's not really hurt the teeth. It doesn't really hurt the teeth like the tooth cake.
Now it's time for the judges to deliberate.
So I think who's the winner is Connor with the snail cream. I think I'm going to go with Connor's snail cream.
And there you have it, folks. Chef Connor is the winner and takes home the title of the Cooking Kiddo. I'm your host, Miss Dina.